Well, today I woke up around like 4:15 a.m. and then, as you see, it has almost 4,000 subscribers. As of the best day, it has got 46,000 impressions. So it's kind of dusty outside here in Riyadh today. I got to get out of here and go to my second home. For now, you see, look at how much dust there is. Nadeem, did you enjoy the tea? Step. Nadeem. What are you saying, man? What is this? What are you
This
reading?
is Elon Musk. Now we are going to burger shop for taking over Hashi Burger.
Give camera. Twist, Meslik. And right now I'm headed to the Fitness Time gym. That's the thing about the daily vlogging, that you just go with the flow of however you are planning the day or how. So as we see, 29 minutes for 13 kilometers. Pretty. Maybe you cannot like feel how inclined it was, but went to the gym, worked out quite a bit, and now I'm going to a hospital with one of my colleagues to visit someone, and I believe it's Irani restaurant. Oh, wait a second, I've been here to this coffee shop over here, Era Coffee here in Sweden. So that's what I'm looking at. I've went to this place. Okay everyone, so now just coming out of the hospital, and now we are going to this one restaurant that I told you about. The name is Rumi. So this is the first thing we have. This is lassi, but it's gonna be a long travel, so I have my tea with me and we are gonna drive back home. And well, also right now I was listening to a video on stocks, and my main purpose is to not only invest myself but also get other people to start investing. Mr. Talha, very late in the night, past midnight, working on his passions and stuff, while going out for a coffee, because after a very long day, a very tiring day, I think I need some. And okay everyone, so the weather outside is kind of chilly but feels really pleasant. Maybe it rained somewhere, so there's Costa Coffee in Gardino Hotel, but well, it wouldn't be open at this time. And over there, the Atypical, the one that I wanted to go to, it's also closed. Pete's Coffee was closed, so right now I am at this Mizaj Maghrabi, this drive-through. Had a cheat code. I wasn't on a car, so I hadn't waited in the line. I just came from the side and gave the order. I didn't taste the hot chocolate yet. Let me just take a sip, although I have the bill along with it, but let's see how it tastes. Assalamu alaikum, good morning everyone. So I'm not sure where the daily vlogging is gonna take me, but I felt like I had to vlog this because, well, today I woke up around like 4:15 a.m. and then I worked on quite some things that I have going on other than my job. So one of it is this channel. As you see, I started recently. It has some 89 subscribers, so I already have another one. Let me just show you. It's the Financial Frontier, and the thing about that channel is that it already has some following. So over there on this channel I post the longer form videos. As you see, it has almost 4,000 subscribers as of now, but these are highly researched videos. So the spontaneous ones I'm gonna put on this channel, the other one that I was showing you before. But another thing is that lately I have also decided that I'm gonna work more on the X platform, which previously was known as Twitter, and well, my target is to get it monetized. Let me just show you the scenes that I have in front of me. So if you see over here, on January 8 I started this account, and on the best day it has got 46,000 impressions, and this is today 111 already, 198 verified followers. So verified is like a tick that you get over here, so you have to pay for it. So I am just reaching 300 followers, and the impressions, look at that, 104.7k. so you can really make meaningful connections on the X app, and the thing is that your voice is heard. Whatever you have to say, it is heard on the X platform. I also tried making content on the other platforms, including Instagram, Twitter, or not Twitter, TikTok, and also Facebook. Only it's YouTube and I think X has potential. Otherwise, the other ones, they didn't work out that well for me. So, well, I mean, like I can share the videos to my friends, to my family. They can watch the videos, but it's not getting like hundreds of thousands of views and all that. So even though I'm like pretty consistent, I've made tons of videos, but I think now it's time to decide what I want to focus on, and it's for now YouTube and X. Although I have automations going on, I pay for some automation software, so if I post something, it gets distributed to the other networks as well, other social medias as well. So the software that I use for it is called repurpose.io. I'll put the link to it down in the description as well. But for now, they started off really well, alhamdulillah. Now I'm gonna get ready and I'm headed out to work. So it's kind of dusty outside here in Riyadh today. I didn't know it was gonna be like this, but well, you should observe a mask. But let's see. Let me just show you the scenes. Maybe you cannot see this in the video, but well, if you try to see over the horizons, it isn't that clear. So dusty it is today. Let's hope the day goes well. Sometimes Riyadh is dusty. If you live here, you know about that. Oh, look at that cat. Oh, suddenly crossing the road. And now I got to get out of here and go to my second home. And well, by second home I mean work. Yeah, that's how it is. Okay guys, so I could show you the air quality index for now, but well, I have another gauge for that. See the Kingdom Tower. Definitely in my other videos you would be able to see it clearly from even quite far, but for now, you see, look at how much dust there is. Oh my god.
So where are we right now? So we are in the Magha, the traditional coffee shop, and well, right now with me we have Nadeem. Nadeem, did you enjoy the tea?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, he enjoyed the tea,
Fantastic.
and he also made a video for his channel as well. You
Now
got to say
we
something?
are active to some other work.
Yeah. So well, the thing is, by the way, I didn't get your point. What type of work are you active for now? Why?
For more activities day by day.
Yeah. Okay.
We optimize for next step.
What are you saying, man?
I am just saying that
Is it so deep that I cannot understand? Yeah, 4 hours.
which are remaining over
Yeah.
duties.
Yeah, so we have 4 hours remaining in our duty, and we just had tea over here, and well, the tea cups are empty because we already had them. So we are actually gonna take one couple of burgers from this shop. We are going back to work.
Hashi.
These are the Hashi burgers.
Hashi burger.
Yeah.
You know
So
the meaning of Hashi?
yeah, the Hashi burger. So
Camel.
take this, yeah, camel, little camel, a young camel. So take the camera, go to the Hashi burger shop. I will record. I will not record, but I will take this stuff. What is this? What are you
This is
reading?
Elon Musk's next target.
Why are you targeting him?
Because of that, we are next of Elon Musk of the world. Understand?
Wow, man. So motivational, so inspirational.
Inshallahul Aziz.
That is so motivating. So just take the Nadeem, take the bag. I'm coming from there.
Now we are going to burger shop for taking over Hashi burger. Actually, this is new shop opening here. Assalamu alaikum.
रेडी नदीम चिकन रेडी और हाशी बर्गर किफ कैमरा टोइस मसले
नहीं,
क्या
अल खर्ज सैटरडे को ड्यूटी करनी है.
जा रहे Okay everyone, so it's later in the day and right now I'm headed to the Fitness Time gym and well in the early morning it was kind of dusty and also cold, but now it's kind of warm. However, well, the day went really well, alhamdulillah. So now I'm going to Fitness Time in Sultana and it's gonna take inshallah I believe some 30 minutes to reach there, and then gonna put in some good workout and might go to the barber later or might also well just go back home. We'll see about that, but that's the thing about the daily vlogging, that you just go with the flow of however you are planning the day or how the circumstances take you. As for me, the main highlights of the day are my work, actually the one that I do from where I just left, and another thing is that I focus a lot on making content for my financial channel, and we are also focusing on getting Nadeem's channel up and running, and it's doing well actually. So Nadeem is the guy you saw earlier in the day with me, and his channel is getting a lot of traction because it's focused on one topic, and the topic is that how Pakistanis can come to Saudi Arabia for work and anything related to that. He also spoke about the visa requirements, the job requirements, and what type of certifications one should have and all that. So as we see, 29 minutes for 13 kilometers, pretty decent here in Riyadh. So well, let's see if we can breeze to the gym location. Anyways, not breezing here in the neighborhood, but outside on the road, because mostly in Riyadh the speed limit of the road would be 80 if it's a main road. Just check out the sun, shining quite a bit today, but today the air quality index was actually high. Look at all these places, the empty lots and all this. Someday it's gonna be all populated over here. So I got a message from work, let me check that, and well, I'll meet you guys in the gym. Okay guys, so we are driving on this road here in Sultana, here in Riyadh. Well, look at how inclined it is going up. Maybe you cannot like feel how inclined it was, but I think it's definitely a 35-40 degree incline. And now we have like, this is maybe a 10 or 15, but regardless, it was such a fascinating place. What's up all you lovelies? So well, I just went to the gym, but the problem was that the space on my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 it actually was full. So well, what I there's a lady who has to pass through the road with her child. So well, went to the gym, worked out quite a bit, and now I'm going to a hospital with one of my colleagues to visit someone here. So well, after that we are gonna have dinner together, possibly at one restaurant, and I believe it's Irani restaurant. And much peace and love to all my Irani brothers and sisters. Let's hope peace prevails there. And well, right now I was thinking of having a shower at the gym, but well, didn't have the time to. So the good thing about this gym, the Fitness Time gym, is that oh wait a second, I've been here
to this coffee shop over here, Era Coffee, here in Sweden. So I was just looking at that. So well, what I was saying is that the good thing about the Fitness Time gym is that if you go in there, you are bound to just feel quite relaxed. They have everything. You want to work out, you will get a workout. You want to do CrossFit, you will get that. You want to take lessons, they are also available. And well, if you need to swim, there's a swimming pool, a big one. If you need a cold bath, hot bath, you need to go into a sauna, everything. That fresh towels, dry clean towels, each and everything is over there. So that is actually pretty good. So well, that's the benefit of this Fitness Time gym. And well, right now just passing through the roads. And well, what else is coming to my mind? Well, got to edit the videos because the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is also full. The Insta360 Go 3S, it's also full from all the recordings back in Pakistan. So well, let me just show you the scenes right now. So that's what I'm looking at. I've went to this place. I've even eaten from one restaurant over here, and it was I don't exactly recall the name, but it was you know, a fun, I think over to the left. Maybe I just passed that one. So here in Riyadh I've traveled quite a bit, commuted through a lot of places, and this is also one of them. Okay everyone, so now just coming out of the hospital, and now we are going to this one restaurant that I told you about. The name is Rumi. So let's see how the food is over there. Where's my car? There's my car. Here we go. So I turned on the mechanism where it is supposed to open by itself, but it is not opening. Why like this? So let me just open it with the key. It's supposed to open. Hey, come on. Hey, I have the key with me. No. So eventually I have to open it with the key. So pretty unusual, but we'll figure that out. So here we are, and this place is in Suedi, by the way, and there is Rumi restaurant. Don't disappoint us. This is the first thing we have. This is lassi, but the Irani type. This is our mixed
We're
grill.
told to change this one to this with kebab.
यार ये 3 कबाब बोले थे हमने.
سلطة الشيش. ايش سلطة الشيش. We told them to change this one with kebab. ليش؟
हमने कहा 3 कबाब कर दें.
3 كباب؟ ايه بس خلاص.
It's gonna be a long travel, so I have my tea with me, and we are gonna drive back home. A lot of line on the traffic light. Once hotel home, it's 36 minutes and 25 kilometers, and let me just well put it on the map. That's the route that we are gonna take. Well, I wouldn't go with this one. I think this one is like sort of fast, although it might be bigger. Let me just dismiss this. So where are we heading? Okay, so if we go from here, we can go from the Western Ring Road, and then we'll go on to this King Fahd. Oh, straight till there. We just have the traffic over here. What about this? This is 4 minutes faster, but there's a lot of traffic when we go from here to turn on to the Jeddah Road. So I think I'll go with this one because that's the one I normally use. And well, also right now I was listening to a video on stocks, and for the next 33 minutes I'm gonna keep on listening to that stuff because you know, working hard over here, and well, you need something that well basically will support your future. Some people invest in properties, some invest in other sort of stuff like bonds, and some invest in mutual funds, but as for me, I invest in the Naya Pakistan certificates. So essentially they are like government bonds and Sharia compliant, obviously, and I also invest in the stocks. So the stocks are like riskier, but well, I have an appetite for risk, and I also do a lot of research. I have another channel, The Financial Frontier, where I tell people about the stocks and that sort of stuff. So altogether, I think now is the time to be invested in this sort of stuff. And if your money is in the bank, it's just laying there doing you no good, and it's getting devalued over time. But my main purpose is to not only invest myself, but also get other people to start investing that are working over here. So that's the mission, and that's what the other channel is based on. And I'm like really big on investing. I invest in the financial instruments like the stocks, bonds, that sort of stuff. But I also invest in myself, like in terms of how you look, how you dress, how you go about things, what type of stuff you use. And I also invest a lot in videography. I have a few different cameras, and I've invested in a lot of software related stuff that helps me make my life better, a lot of AI related stuff. So I'm paying the price, but it just fast tracks my progress. It's like giving you a jetpack in a race where you are supposed to run on feet. So that's the scene. Someday we'll make a video on all this sort of stuff as well. But for now, I'm here at a traffic light, and just waiting to go from here. Let's hope it opens up soon. So we'll see each other a bit later though. Well, what do we have over here? Mr. Talha, very late in the night, past midnight, working on his passions and stuff. These are the scenes right now. And I recorded a couple of videos for my channels, uploaded some for Nadeem. And the good thing here in Saudi is that we have 5G internet, so the upload speeds are crazy. You can get up to 20-30 Mbps upload speed. So not all the time, but anyways, even that's like pretty good if you get like 5 to 10 or like the actual upload speed. So even if the videos are like 8 GB, 9 GB, and sometimes they get uploaded quite easily. So right now I'm thinking of just going out for a coffee, because after a very very long day, a very tiring day, I think I need some. And also for the very reason that I do feel that I can actually squeeze out some 1 hour of work. It's not insanity, it's actually my effort towards my goals which I have to achieve. So it's adi normal. So I'll see you outside. Okay everyone, so the weather outside is kind of chilly but feels really pleasant. Maybe it rained somewhere, so I can feel the moisture in the air. Not sure why that is the case, but I also saw one notification on my mobile for some rain, but I'm pretty sure it's nowhere near. But the wind, it just brought some moisture from somewhere. Right now I'm going to the coffee shop. There are a couple of options, we'll see which one to opt for. And it's 12:30 a.m. so all of them might not be open, so let's see. And right now we are on Takhasusi Street. This new bridge just opened up like a week ago, and here we have some restaurants and eateries. That Usta Asim is also good, the one that you see over there. I've been there, their food is actually good. And Riyadh never sleeps, as you can see from the traffic behind me. So I just said that without having enough cars on the street to prove my claim, but
now you see, now there are cars going by, and the first one of the coffee shops is closed right now. There's one on the other side of the road, Atypical, that might also be closed, but there's another one which is, I think, 24 hours branch. I'll show you which one, which brand. So there's Costa Coffee in Gardino Hotel, but well, it wouldn't be open at this time. And over there, the Atypical, the one that I wanted to go to, it's also closed. Look at that coffee shop, Atypical. So we are just gonna go straight down the road like 100 meters or so at that fuel station, and we'll find Pete's Coffee over there. Pete's Coffee was closed, so right now I am at this Mizaj Maghrabi, this drive-through coffee shop, and I ordered a hot chocolate from here. So I was looking at their menu, and instead of the coffee, I decided to go for hot chocolate, and let's see how the taste is like. But anyways, they have a huge line of customers waiting. Let me just show you the scenes. At this point in time, you see even the queue is back till the road. So let's wait for our order, because I had a cheat code. I wasn't on a car, so I hadn't waited in the line. I just came from the side and gave the order. So these are the scenes in Riyadh at 1 a.m. at night. Let me just show you the road. And well, believe me, there was traffic before on this road. But well, just see the cars coming through. And well, by the way, people here stay late up at night. That's the lifestyle here, and it's like pretty normal. Anyways, I also have work in a few hours, so I'm just gonna sip some of my, or all of my hot chocolate, and squeeze in some, I think, half an hour or 1 hour of work. So inshallah, it will be a good time, a productive time. And with this hot chocolate, it's gonna get even better. I didn't taste the hot chocolate yet. Let me just take a sip, although I have the bill along with it, but let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah, it is good actually. And well, this just actually tells why there's a lot of rush at that Mizaj Maghrabi drive-through. I hope I didn't say walk-through before. Honestly, if I said that, it's been a very long day and I might not be thinking straight. But anyways, time to go back. Thank you for watching till here, and thank you all for your, well, I would say, unconditional support. You all are awesome, the OGs. This channel is inshallah gonna grow really huge, but the ones supporting me right now, I value you a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.